Top 10 largest Air Force bases by area in the world in 2025. The majority of the world's largest air bases are operated by the United States Air Force, USAF. Washington, the U.S. military test and training ranges are so large as to even eclipse King Fahd International Airport, DMM, in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. For perspective, Dammam is the largest commercial airport by area, spanning 192,000 acres. We have selected some of the largest Air Force bases in the world according to the land area they cover. This leads to some of the most gargantuan military establishments on the planet, some of which will surprise you. Number 1. Barry M. Goldwater Range, Arizona, USA. The Barry M. Goldwater Range spans over 1.7 million acres, 2,656 square miles, in southern Arizona and is jointly managed by the USAF and U.S. Marine Corps. It supports air-to-ground training, including live munitions. While not a base with permanent personnel, its size and role make it critical for close air support and weapons practice. The range is managed by over 200 military, civilian, and contract staff from Luke AFB's 56th Range Management Office, who oversee operations, environmental stewardship, and airspace coordination. Number 2. Utah Test and Training Range, Utah, USA, managed by Hill AFB. The Utah Test and Training Range, UTTR, encompasses 2,675 square miles, 1.71 million acres, of ground space and 19,000 square miles of airspace. UTTR supports live-fire weapons testing and cruise missile exercises. UTTR operates with 11 military, 93 civilian, and 153 technical services personnel. An additional 53 air traffic control staff oversee annual operations involving more than 16,000 training and 300 test sorties. Number 3. Nellis Air Force Base Complex, Nevada, USA. Nellis AFB Complex, based in southern Nevada, spans over 5,000 square miles of airspace. It includes Nellis AFB, Creech AFB, and the Nevada Test and Training Range, NETR, which alone covers about 2.9 million acres, 4,531 square miles. The NETR supports advanced aerial combat training, red flag exercises, and weapons testing. The complex hosts approximately 11,000 active duty and reserve personnel, serving as a critical hub for Air Combat Command and U.S. Air Force Warfare Center operations. Number 4. Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson, Alaska, USA. Joint Base Elmendorf-Richardson, JBAR, spans approximately 84,000 acres, 131 square miles, and is home to both U.S. Air Force and Army units. JBAR supports the 3rd Wing, 11th Airborne Division, and Alaskan NORAD region. It also hosts over 12,000 military personnel and is strategically located for Arctic and Indo-Pacific operations. Number 5. Joint Base San Antonio, Texas, USA. Joint Base San Antonio, JBSA, comprises Fort Sam Houston, Lackland AFB, and Randolph AFB. It is the largest joint base in the U.S., with over 46,000 acres, 72 square miles, and 80,000 personnel. Number 6. Kadena Air Base, Okinawa, Japan. Kadena AB covers 4,900 acres, approximately 7.7 square miles, on Okinawa Island and is the largest U.S. airbase in the Indo-Pacific. Home to the 18th Wing, it supports regional security missions with F-15C divided by D fighters, tankers, and ISR platforms. The base population includes approximately 18,000 U.S. military personnel, civilians, and family members. Number 7. Ramstein Air Base, Germany. Ramstein AB, located in Rhineland-Palatinate, Germany, is the headquarters of U.S. Air Forces in Europe, Air Forces Africa, USAF Africa. The site spans approximately 3,000 acres, about 4.7 square miles, and hosts around 7,200 military and 11,500 total personnel. Ramstein is a vital airlift and command hub for U.S. and NATO operations across Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. Number 8. Eglin Air Force Base, Florida, USA. Eglin AFB spans 724 square miles, approximately 463,400 acres, making it one of the largest military installations in the U.S. by land area. It is a major site for testing air-delivered weapons and developing precision munitions. The base employs around 8,500 military personnel and 4,500 civilians, and is managed by the 96th Test Wing under Air Force Materiel Command. Number 9. Edwards Air Force Base, California, USA. Edwards AFB covers over 470 square miles, approximately 300,800 acres, and includes Rogers Dry Lake Bed, enabling year-round flight testing. The air base is home to the Air Force Test Center and the 412th Test Wing, which oversee experimental aircraft and weapons systems. The base hosts more than 10,000 personnel, including military, civilian, and contractor staff supporting developmental test missions. Number 10. Patuxent Space Base, Greenland, formerly Thule Air Base. Patuxent Space Base is the U.S. military's northernmost installation. Operated by the 821st Space Base Group under Space Force Delta I, it supports missile warning and satellite tracking. Located 750 miles north of the Arctic Circle, it covers 254 square miles, about 162,500 acres, and hosts around 150 permanent U.S. personnel and a seasonal population of up to 600. Please write in the comments which one is more biggest, and don't forget for more interesting videos. Thank you.